Maraming kalokohan. Sa totoo lang, nung panahon before my time sa importation ng isda. And ayoko nang sabihin kasi meron din isang congressman na humingi sa akin ng maraming allocation at hindi ko pinagbigyan ng isda. At ang pangalan nun, Saldico.
Alright. But very clear, no? Okay. Sige po, you mentioned Congressman Zaldico. So, do you have more information about that?
Well, I only have personal knowledge on the 3 companies he wanted me to give allocation kahit na may formula na kami. Hindi ako pumayag magbigay ng kahit isang container sa kanya sa 3 nominated companies niya. At ang isang kumpanya doon, pangalan pa, ZC Victory Fishing Corporation. We were being forced at that time to give him 3,000 containers of fish, which I did not agree.
Well, very important that you mentioned being forced, no? What do you mean by being forced, actually?
Well, pinipilit na kami mag-issue ng import permit while we already have a formula, no? Which ito nga yung formula na lumabas, and it is very clear na fair to sa scientifically, the data speaks for itself. At kaya kong tindigan to.
But you have, did you actually issue it or no? Did you issue po the request?
No.
All right.